Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Orphe, and today I'm going to take you behind the scenes on how I shot these photos with my friend Moisha in studio. If you're brand new to this channel, please make sure to like and subscribe. All right, let's jump right into it. I wanted to create something tropical in an environment with some palm trees, but you know, we were in Montreal. There's no palm trees in Montreal. So I had to create everything in studio. So what I did, I used two lights. So the main light, the first light was the optical snoot that created those palm tree shapes, and I set it to a tungsten type of lighting. So the light was orange. So with just the light by itself, I only had like straight sharp shadows. So this is an image with just the optical snoot, and as you can see, you have dark shadows, but you can see the palm trees. But for me, I wanted to make it realistic because if you are outside, you won't get these sharp shadows. To be honest, I could have just used this and worked with that, but it wouldn't be realistic. So what I did, I introduced a different light, which was a bareboard light, and I bounced it off the ceiling. I remember that I set my Kelvin in Capture One at about 6500 Kelvin, so the whole image was a little bit orange. Now for my retouching, I wanted something different. I went with a cyan tone, you know, on the highlights because she had a red dress, and if you know your color theory, so cyan and red are both contrary colors, so I wanted to complement that. All right, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write them in the comment. You already know what time it is. It's your boy Orphe the Me Baby. I'm out. Cheers.